Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Before we go on, please subscribe if you have not. Join the family, please. We're going to be making goat meat pepper soup. I think pepper soup is one of the easiest Nigerian meals to prepare. So let's get to it. We're going to be using some scent leaf, some onion, garlic, pepper, just a little pepper soup spice, and some seasoning cubes. I'm also going to use crayfish. I'm not sure the crayfish here. This scent leaf is very good for the system. It's a medicinal leaf. Here's our washed goat meat. Just wash the meat properly. Put it in a pot. So I'm now putting in seasoning cube. I'll put a little salt. Put my crushed garlic and some onion. I'll let this meat cook in its juices so that the seasoning will enter very well. So that we'll have good flavor. So just stir this around to let the seasoning reach everywhere, and then cover it. Allow it to cook. Our meat has been cooking for a while, so I'm just going to add some water. The water should just be for the level of the meat. So I'm going to put in my pepper mix. I pounded pepper, crayfish, and onion together. I like pounding them together or blending them together. I'm also going to put in the pepper soup spice, just a little bit. I don't want it to overpower the smell of the goat meat. So I'm going to stir it a little and allow it to cook for a while. The meat is ready. The aroma in here is to die for. The flavor from the yellow pepper. Yellow pepper has a lot of very nice flavor. So it just fills the whole place. It's really nice. So I'm going to put in my scent leaf now. Scent leaf is something I cannot cook pepper soup without. It is just part of pepper soup for me. And the thing that it is also medicinal. It's very good for the health. So I'll just put this, allow it cook until the scent leaf is ready. Our pepper soup is ready. I told you it was one of the easiest Nigerian meals to make. So this is it. It is ready. I'm going to keep it down now and dig into it. You can have pepper soup on its own. You can take it with rice. You can take it with yam, plantain. It's very good for when you have a cold, when you have a fever, you make pepper soup. When you have malaria, I tend to like pepper soup a lot when I have malaria. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.